Citadel Boss 25 semi-automatic shotgun. As you guys can see, it is derived from an AR style. It comes with these pop-up sights on it straight out of the factory, both front and back right here, which just is so nice because for those of you guys who've ever bought ARs before, you'll realize that you have to have pop-up sights to a lot of them unless if they're a higher end bottle. And the Citadel, for it being at the $300 price point that it's at, if you go down to Bass Pro and pick one up, which is where this one actually came from and everything, you'll see and notice things like that, though, that for a cheaper version of a shotgun like this, or a cheaper version of a semi-auto shotgun like this, that it actually comes with a lot of goodies. Comes with a muzzle brake, comes with two 5+1 magazines that can go in it, and it functions phenomenally, guys, and you guys will see that in a later video. But honestly, for a shotgun, it is light too. That's what I love about this shotgun here, is that I can carry it if I'm going out throughout the woods and stuff, though, especially since it is coyote season and stuff, though. I can carry it, and here in the hills and stuff, you really can't see over that far anyway, so having it and just having that extra capacity really does help. The things that a lot of people don't tend to like about it is the fact that there are spots to add, like put more rails and stuff to it. I've heard that complaint before, but unlike an AR, it doesn't have quite as many places that you can add that to. But again, it's a shotgun. It does come with the rail here on the front that's actually made onto it and everything. And I will say, though, guys, the Boss 25 by Citadel here, they really know what they're doing, like when they make these shotguns. And I am in no way sponsored by them. I'm just a fan of guns all the way around, like I'm sure most of you are that are watching this video right now. And I'm here to tell you guys, though, that you won't be disappointed if you buy this shotgun. It's something there. I mean, it could have a factory defect, and that's just something to keep in mind as you go through there, though. Honestly, because it is on the lighter side, that's why it has that like muzzle brake that you can put on here and everything. It does kick kind of hard, but I will say that with the buttstock here and it actually having that rubber pad on there, that does absorb a lot of that. And it's just a great all-around semi-auto shotgun, guys. I mean, there's not a lot to talk about. I mean, it's a semi-auto shotgun, but it's great. It's more of a tactical version of that shotgun. And yeah, the Millennium 4s and stuff like that are also tactical versions. But this one, being that AR style, is great as well. And a lot of people like it. And that's one of the great things about the shotgun, is the fact that it does come with those magazines. So, you know, you can cycle through it really quickly if you need to. Take one, drop it, and then just get it right on to your business after that, though. Something else I like about these mags is they seat in there extremely easily, just like that. Some of your mags don't buck in nearly that easily, but these do, guys, and they come out just as easily after you hit your button there. Now, it does have your standard safety and fire switch over here on this side, just like a lot of firearms for that style. I like it. You can just reach your thumb up there and flip it if you need to go either way with it. It does not break over like a typical AR does. I've been asked that before. No, it does not. But there are a lot of things about this shotgun, though, that I could stand here and talk about all day. But that is the basics of it, though, guys. Like I said, phenomenal shotgun for the price point. If you ever looked at getting one, check these out. Again, it's the Boss 25. You can pick them at Bass Pro. Something that Citadel really does really nicely. As you can see right there, they really want their logo being everywhere. And as always, though, guys, if you're going to be out shooting, or if you are going to handle the firearm at all, always follow your safety procedures. Don't ever point a gun at anybody, unless if you are defending yourself, and, you know, don't ever point a gun at anything that you don't fully intend on shooting at. And that's just a good rule. Don't ever, you know, and just assume everything is loaded. And those two rules right there are the two most important, and they go hand in hand. And there's just a lot of things. Guns are fun, guys. take them out to the range and do things with it, but you got to be safe about it. You can't be dumb about it. And a lot of people out there get overconfident and they don't really know what they're doing, even though they think they do. So don't be one of those people, you know. And if you don't know what you're doing, be honest with yourself and get some help so you can learn and stuff, though, guys, because it is a lot of fun. But again, you also got to stay safe. Citadel Boss 25, guys, go check them out if you live by a Bass Pro Academy or any of those stores like that. And take care, guys. And I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. And it is Black Friday, so get out there and find some deals. And who knows, you may be able to find one of these in a store near you. And if you do, then you can go out there and pick one up. Might have a Black Friday special on. You never know. Something I forgot to mention in today's video, though, guys, about the Citadel Boss 25 is it does come with 3 chokes. These 3 chokes right here. Here's your key for your chokes and everything. And for those of you guys who are big on chokes, then there you go. It does come with them. You have a 3/4. You have a 1/4 choke. And you have this choke right here. So I will say I'm not a big choke person. And honestly, I would not buy them separately. But since it came with the gun, then it is a great accessory. And, you know, you never know. I might end up like using these someday. But they're just good to have, and it's just part of the kit. So you got the muzzle brake, the chokes, the 2 magazines, 5+1, and that is just some basics of the Citadel Boss 25. Once again, guys, God bless each and every one of you, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel because there'll be a lot of exciting content coming with firearms and other things down the road.